So, pious souls, the Creator, that Allahu Akbar, the Supreme God, who created the universe in 6 days and sat on the throne on the seventh day, Quran Sharif has made clear about him. The knowledge giver of Quran Sharif says he is the same Allahu Akbar who created the universe in 6 days and sat on the throne on seventh day. Ask about him from an enlightened saint. Supreme God left on seventh day after finishing whole creation, everything. Then Kal took over earth's affairs and he has given duty to his three sons. This Kal God has also given duty to his three sons, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, to take control of earth's affairs. So later they took control when God created Adam and Hawa. He made Adam with his word power and Hawa with Adam's bones, whatever way they believe, and he left them. Then this Kal took control, then Brahma took Adam. It is said in Suksham Ved that he is that Muhammad, he is Mahadev, and that Adam, he is Brahma. Das Garib, there is no one else, look into your house. Now, what this servant is trying to show you is that three gods, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh, took control of earth's affairs. Holy Bible clarifies this when God made Adam and his wife, whom they believe in as God, that is Brahma. Actually, it was Brahma, and left them in a garden. He had made them so dumb that they had no sense. He told them to eat fruits of all trees in this garden except these middle ones. If you will eat them, you will die. That is, he started lying. One day, that Kal came disguised in the form of a snake, whom they call Satan. He came as a snake, and this Kal asked Hawa, why don't you eat fruits of these middle trees? She said, we can eat all fruits except these ones. Allah has told us not to eat the fruits of these trees. In the middle, else we will die. The snake said. Kal had come disguised as a snake and said, nothing will happen. They are very good fruits. By eating them, you won't die. Rather, you will know about good and evil. So that woman, that Eve, plucked one fruit, she ate herself and gave it to her husband as well to eat. Then they realized, they came to senses that we are nude. They felt shy from each other. They both plucked fig leaves and covered their private parts. Then it said in evening that Allah, means Khuda, that God came. On hearing his footsteps, they both hid themselves in that garden. That God called them, where are you, Adam? Adam said, I got scared hearing your voice and I hid myself because I am nude. So God asked, did you eat those fruits which I told you not to eat? He said, yes, we both ate. My wife gave me to eat. When asked from his wife, she said the snake misled us, so we ate. So that Allah, whom these readers of this holy Bible consider as God, thought, now that Adam and Eve have eaten those wisdom fruits which makes them aware of good and evil, it should not happen that they eat the fruits from this garden which makes them immortal and will become similar like us. If they will eat those fruits, look now, as it is said that little knowledge is the dangerous thing. Little knowledge is the dangerous thing. These talkative hypocrites who learn verses, then they try to influence people. They have little knowledge. They are fakes. They do not know ABC. Public thinks they are fluent. They speak non-stop. They are wise. These are not the qualities of a wise person. He is saturated with knowledge. It is said, talkative is like a ghost, quiet is like God, one who does not aspire for fame. These should be the qualities. Those talkative assume them as ghosts. They try to fool masses, and the one who talks less is like God. Great people limit words and talk sense. They do not aspire for fame or lordship. These are the qualities of a saint. So what do they say? That Hindus believe in more than one God, and the state which this servant explained in the definition of God, it's as it is. It's same. Similarly, the knowledge of Quran Sharif is incomplete. Kal himself admits that he does not know about that master, about that Allahu Akbar, so automatically it's incomplete knowledge. Similarly, knowledge of Vedas is incomplete. Similarly, Gita Ji's knowledge is incomplete. And similarly that of Bible, because after creating universe in 6 days, Almighty left. Later Kal took over the charge.